Hey there, and welcome back to Findependence Hustle. If you want some visuals along with your podcast, I do have a YouTube channel, Findependence Hustle. Are you on the hunt for the ultimate investment opportunity? You're in luck, because I've scoured the markets and crunched the numbers to bring you the top pick for a stock to invest in. But before I reveal my top pick, let's go over a few key points to consider when choosing the best stock. First, we've got company financials. No one wants to put their hard-earned cash into a company that's on the verge of bankruptcy. That's just financial sus. Well, you know what it is. So make sure to check out the company's financial statements to ensure they're not living paycheck to paycheck like the rest of us. Next up, we've got industry trends. If you're thinking about investing in a company that makes horse-drawn carriages, it might be time to reconsider, unless you're trying to live out your colonial fantasies. You'll want to make sure that the industry is still relevant. Then there's the management team. You want a group of people who know what they're doing and have a proven track record of success. Unless, of course, you're a fan of gambling and enjoy the thrill of throwing your money into the abyss. But in that case, ignore this point. Finally, it's about risk versus reward. Do you have a love-hate relationship with gambling? Then investing in stocks might just be right up your alley. Just make sure to diversify your portfolio and remember, the stock market is like a roller coaster. Hold on tight. So, drum roll please. Our top pick for the best stock to invest in is a well-diversified portfolio. Yep, I know it's not as exciting as picking that one hot new tech company, but trust me, spreading your investments across multiple stocks can help you minimize the risk and potentially maximize returns. But as always, it's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment choices. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. If you don't want to hand-pick a diversified pile of stocks, then go ahead and consider an ETF or an index fund. This is truly the safest way to invest. And lastly, before I bid you goodbye, I encourage you to use the link in the description. Robinhood. It's the easiest way for people to invest. If you use my link, you'll get some freebies. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.